What up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you vacation vibes with this curly wig. It's a pretty quick install, but since this wig was a bit too small for my head, I did struggle to put it on. And if you guys want to know how I managed to put this wig on my big head and make it look good, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. We're starting with a mini unboxing. The hair is from Yolissa Hair. At the end, I will have a coupon code for you guys, so keep watching. The wig came with a really cute headbang. It was really sparkly. You guys will definitively see it on my Instagram. It also came with this pink scarf that said Yolissa, a pair of wig cap, those lashes. Actually, they weren't as bad as I thought they would be. A bag for you to keep your wig on or travel with your wig. Another scarf, this one was really pretty, and an elastic to sew to your wig to secure it. And last and obviously the wig. The texture is really pretty and the hair was so soft even after I washed it. And guys, that hairline was looking, what's the word? That hairline was looking rough. She definitively needs some work, okay? And guys, this is supposed, and I'm saying suppose because listen, this is supposed to be at 13 by 6, but the by 6 is only in the middle, and you guys get 1 inch, and I'm saying 1 inch, I mean 1 inch of lace on the sides. I didn't like that because I couldn't really plug the side without showing the tracks. I had to plug this wig very lightly. And fun fact, guys, this wig actually turns out to be too small for my head. So it didn't matter anyway how I plugged the sides because the sides were way too small for my head. I don't know if my hair grew overnight or what happened because usually I always take my wigs in a small, and on the website they say that the small is supposed to be 21 to 22 inches, but for some reason the sides were not fitting. I really don't know why this wig didn't fit, but whatever, I'm going to show you guys how to make it fit in case this happened to you. Even though I bleached this wig, I'm going over the lace with my wannabe lace tint, which is just rubbing alcohol mixed with my foundation, and I'm just spraying it all over the lace until it gets to the color I want. And after that, I dry it with my hair dryer. I also sew an elastic band to this wig, and as you can see, I cut the lace. I actually filmed the part where I cut the lace, but I didn't keep it because at first, before realizing that this wig was way too small, I tried to glue on this wig like I normally do, but it did not work out. So I took it off and decided to install it a different way. At first, I started by making sure that the wig fits correctly on my hairs. I know I said that this wig was too small and you guys are seeing me cutting it. The problem was with the width because the sides didn't cover like my baby hair. And you guys, when you're gluing this wig on, please be careful with the sides because I was trying to glue on the side and some of the hair just pull out, okay? But it only happened with this side, so maybe I just pulled too hard. Anyway, to glue on the side, I started by applying my Got2b gel and I pull out some of my baby hair before gluing on this wig because that way the lace will melt to my skin and my baby hair will hide the fact that the wig was too small. I'm just using this thing, I don't know what the name is, to apply pressure on the lace to melt it down. I was really annoyed that I had to put the glue directly on my edges, but it did not do anything to my edges when I took out this wig. I just had to be more careful. After I was done gluing the wig on the side, I cleaned my forehead with some rubbing alcohol. And for the front, that was really the easy part. I took my gut to be spray and put it on the little thingy thing, and I went over the extremity of my lace to melt it down. This took maybe 15 seconds and I was done, guys. It was really the easiest part. I really love just, taking the thingy thing and just applying pressure on it. That was it. I didn't have to do anything else. After that, I'm pulling out the hair I'm going to use for my baby hair, and I'm going to tie the front of my lace to melt it to my skin. And I took out the hair before tying up my lace to make sure that my edges was going to lay in the direction that I wanted. Okay, while my hair is tied up, I'm going to start styling my hair. Nothing crazy, you guys know me. I always do easy and cute hairstyle that you guys can easily copy. I'm just spraying the hair with water and applying my foam on it to define the curls. After that, I just put my hair in the middle. Before you go in the comments and start saying, oh my god, Nora, you always put your hair in the middle, just know I tried to do a side part, guys, but it wasn't cute. At least it wasn't cute to me. And you guys know I'm not going to pull up on camera looking legendary. Here I'm just going to plug the front of my lace because I'm not a fan of thick edges. And even the one that I'm going to do felt slightly too thick, but at least it was cute, at least to me. And after that, I'm just going to swoop my edges. You guys know I really can't describe what I'm doing when it comes to my edges. So just watch the video. And after that, I will tie my hair up with two scarves because one, I had two, and two, it was to flatten the hair because it was looking a little bulky and I like my wigs to lay flat. And after that, guys, I'm pretty much done. I did my makeup to close this video. I'm going to add those little tangy things to my hair because I think they add a little razzle dazzle to the look. And that's it, guys, we are done. As usual, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also check other review on this hair. I only had a problem with the fact that the sides were too small, but I made it work, guys, and I still have a coupon code for you in case you want to purchase this hair or any of the hair on the website. So thank you to Yolissa Hair for sending me this week. I'm going to see you guys in my next one, and as always, love you guys and peace out. Bye, babes.
Morning.